be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rough TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I saw this shoe, and initially I said to myself, man, that shoe was dope. I gots to have it. But I've been trying to slow down on my sneaker purchases lately. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on these for a little bit. I'm gonna wait until they go on sale later on in the year. Maybe a few months from now, they'll hit the Nike clearance sale and I'll pick these up, because there was no hype around this shoe. There was no big hype and websites talking about them. There wasn't a lot going on with these shoes. The hype beasts weren't out for this particular shoe. So I said I'll wait. Alright? And then I went back and I looked and I saw the size 13 went away. I said, oh no. Usually if the 13 goes, that means the 14 is going right after it. So I said, oh man, I gotta get them right now because they're about to sell out. So I rushed, I panicked. I went ahead and bought them right there on the spot. I went back a little bit later, 13 and 14 were back. They got me. They got me. But they are sold out in both of those two sizes right now on Nike.com. So I'm not tripping. I am glad that I went ahead and got them. But these are, let's go ahead and bring them in. Boom. Nike box there. Regular Nike box. These are the Nike Air Max 97 SE. Colorway is black, sport turquoise, and summit white. Alright. Got these in a size 14. Okay. Now, there's a very specific reason why I got this shoe. The colors. It's the colors of this shoe. But you'll see that when I bring them out. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Had to have these. I thought these were very dope. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Rough TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Glad I went ahead and made this purchase. Left shoe first, baby. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are the Nike Air Max 97 SE. These are to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the Air Max. As you will see there, you'll see the triple X and the V representing the Roman numerals for 35. Alright. Very nice. These are a special edition Air Max 97. Alright. And you can see on the inside there's another sign of the 35 on the inside. Alright. With the swoosh and the diamond. It says 3JP Sport Turquoise on the inside there. And you see that swoosh with the diamond. Very nice. Now, I didn't buy these because these are the diamond edition. And this jersey may not be the best representation, but the home color, the regular home Panthers jersey color, spot on. It's spot on, man. I bought these because these are the Panthers colors, baby. Yeah. that black and that turquoise. This is the Carolina Panthers colors, baby. So I had to represent. I had to go ahead and get these. I like these a lot, man. I don't have a lot of Air Max 97s, but these really caught my eye, and I like the materials used on them, man. I like the materials. It's almost like a corduroy material used on these, around where you see that turquoise and that white. Very nice, man. Look at the swoosh there, as I mentioned, the 35. And then you got this swoosh on the inside there. That turquoise and the white wraps all the way around. On the tongue, you have that 35. You have that diamond, excuse me, with the swoosh there on the tongue. Is there anything on the back? Nope, nothing on the back, just the sizing tag. Black laces, regular black laces. And then, as you can see around where the laces are on the inside, there is that turquoise color, right where the lace loops would go into. Turquoise color there. On the back, it says Air Max on the pull tab here. Very dope, man. Very, very dope. It's kind of a jean-like material on the black, but then, as I mentioned, it's kind of like a corduroy material with the turquoise and the white. It's just something different, man. It's not something that you see on an Air Max all the time. White midsole there, kind of a pearlized white midsole. And you got your air unit wrapping all around, and you can see hints of that turquoise there in the air unit. Okay, go to the bottom. Black bottom with your, got it the wrong way. You see your swoosh there, and white with that turquoise. Another turquoise line, black, mostly black, white, and that turquoise, same as the upper. All right, very nice shoe, man. You got a swoosh there on the back, if I didn't show you that in white. Very nice. Let's see, quick glance. If anything comes in there, any extra laces? No extra laces. But these are dope, man. I like these a lot. But you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For size reference, my big toe is right here, right at the tip of where the turquoise starts there on the front. Alright, so for me, there's a little bit of room. I got a little bit of room, but it's comfortable. I'm comfortable. 14 is definitely the best fit in these for me. I could not go down because the toe box is narrow here. Alright, so these are the right size for me. Man, I like the way these look. I like the top down look of these, looking down at them. Man, let me do something a little different for y'all. Let me do something a little different. Look at the top down view. Look at that. Yeah. All right, let's go back. Boom. All right. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, these are definitely dope. As I'm looking at them right now, I also see, like, you could probably wear some Seattle Mariners stuff with these. You know what I mean? You could also probably get away with a Griffey jersey. The teal Mariners jersey with the darker lettering, you could probably get away with the Seattle Mariners jersey with some Griffies. With the Griffey jersey with the backwards cap. You can get away with that with this right here. These are dope, man. Glad that I was able to get these. I'm probably gonna sit these on ice. Ooh, when the light hits that white, it looks a little bit smooth. It looks real pearl-like when the light hits it. I'm probably gonna sit on these until football season, and these are gonna be my Sunday shoes for when the Panthers are on TV. I don't know. I might bring them out in the fall. Maybe bring them out in the summer. You know what I mean? I feel like these are versatile like that. I could wear them at any times, but as soon as I saw these, I just saw Panthers. I just saw me wearing the Panthers jersey with these. They had some of the teal, or excuse me, the turquoise color socks. I gotta find those socks. It's the exact same color as the turquoise that's going around this shoe. I feel like those would hit nice with these, but definitely recommend these. On the Nike.com site, these are sold out in big sizes, but for 12 and a half, I believe, and down, they were available. So if you like these and you want to cop, I would recommend them. They're going to be comfortable for you and they look nice. So anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.